Let's learn about the life cycle of an apple. The life of an apple starts as a seed. Those seeds are planted in soil where they will begin to grow. After some time, the seeds will emerge from the soil as sprouts. After 3 to 5 years, buds will form on the tree. The buds will then create blossoms. These beautiful blossoms attract pollinators like bees to the apple tree. After about 10 days, the blossoms will fall off the tree and apples will begin to form in their place. Soon, the apple tree will be full of ripe fruit ready for picking. The apples that are left over at the end of the season will rot and provide nutrients for the soil.
Okay, kiddos, it's quiz time! Can you recall the apple life cycle? Pause the video and discuss it. Here are the correct answers. Apple seeds, then sprouts, next buds, then flowers, and lastly, we have an apple tree. I know you enjoyed this story! Now click the subscribe button for more educational videos. Thanks for watching!